Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences. Demonstrate is another good word to know how to use in your writing. Demonstrate means to prove, to show, to make evident or establish by arguments or reasoning. Another use of this word is to take part in a demonstration, as in when people disagree with a policy and show their concern to authorities. The word demonstrate is a verb. Let's look at a few sentences using the word demonstrate. He demonstrated how to use the new product. This means that he showed how to use the new product. They planned to demonstrate in front of City Hall. In this sentence, they are using the meaning of taking part in a demonstration against something. Demonstration is the noun form. The demonstration of the new product helped the sales to increase. This means that being able to show how the new product worked helped to increase the sales. The demonstration was held in front of City Hall. This is how we would use the word to mean that people were demonstrating against a certain cause or a problem. Demonstrative is the adjective form. A demonstrative person is someone who shows their emotions clearly. Some people are more demonstrative than others. The adverb form is demonstrably. It was demonstrably evident that the new product was a hit among young people. In this sentence, it is used to show that there is evidence, and it is very clear evidence. The rumor was demonstrably untrue. This would mean that it would be possible to show evidence that the rumor was not true. Demonstrate, demonstration, demonstrative, demonstrably. These are all ways that we can use the word demonstrate, which means to show or give evidence or to take part in a demonstration. Try using some of these words to help improve your vocabulary. Happy writing! I hope you learned some good ways to use this word. Keep learning new vocabulary words to help you to improve your writing. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching Writing Better.